Hello friends, my name is Azam Sood. Today we'll discuss about the topic expert judgment. Friend, today's topic is very important and very interesting with respect to project management. um, Friend, if you are a student and studying project management in university or you are planning to give exam of PMP, so you will definitely see this topic in the exam. At least 4 to 5 questions will definitely be there in the exam which are directly related to this topic, expert judgment. Also, if you are a professional project manager and working in any organization as a project manager, and you have to deal with multiple projects, so your knowledge, your concept should be very clear about the expert judgment and how to use the expert judgment. This is very important in the implementation of projects. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Expert judgment. This is a topic which we have taken from the PMBOK project management body of knowledge, expert judgment, and the whole video tutorial will be based on the concept related to project management. Expert judgment. If you see the topic and the term expert judgment, expert means expert in some field, like any specialized knowledge any person have any in any specific domain. So expert judgment means some decision or the ultimate information, ultimate decision. Like for example, friend, you are implementing a project of e-commerce solution, and you need just take an example, like you want to estimate the cost in terms of scope, time and schedule. You want to know that how much time is required for the implementation and how much cost is required. So what you can do, you can discuss with some person who has expert knowledge in the implementation or technical knowledge in the implementation of e-commerce, like 5 to 10 years experience he has. Just take an example and you can discuss the requirement with him, and he can give you the expert judgment. Expert judgment means that he can give you his opinion that how much time is required in terms of time and in terms of cost. So this is a method, this is a technique. Expert judgment is a technique in which judgment is provided based upon a specific set of criteria and expertise that has been acquired in a specific knowledge area, application area or product area, a particular discipline and industry. Such expertise may be provided by any group or person with a specialized education, knowledge, skills, experience of training. Similarly, you can say any other opinion, like for example, you are implementing project management office in an organization and you want to know that how much effort, like how much time is required and how much cost will be required in your organization to build or to implement the project management office in your organization. And some person like PMP certified person or any other person who has the specialized knowledge about the project management office, who has already implemented 5 to 10 project management offices in multi organizations, so he can give you his expert judgment, his expert opinion that how much cost is required and how much time is required to build a project management office in your organization. So expert judgment means an opinion or the feedback of a person who has some specialized knowledge in the particular domain. Another example, friend, you have seen, like you have some problem, like you are facing some trouble medically and you go to the doctor, so he give you some opinion. So this is also a type of expert judgment, like he is specialized in particular field and he gives you his opinion, he gives you his feedback, his during the consulting, that what is the problem and what should be done. So this is also another type of expert judgment. You are in government and you want to build flyover in a city, and some person or some firm, this is not necessary that only a person, some firm you hired, and they will give you an expert opinion that how much time is required and how much cost is required if you want to build the flyover in a particular location in a particular city. So remember one thing, that this is not necessary that only one person can give you expert opinion. A firm can also be hired to give you expert judgment. What is the procedure of expert judgment? Select and confirm activity to be analyzed. You have to, first of all, you have to select which activity you want to perform. Like for example, you want to build a flyover in a city. So this is the activity. This is the activity you want to analyze. Then you must have the statements and questions should be clearly defined on a paper or a document. Select the expert. Expert means that you want to hire some specific expert. You want to hire any specific firm who will give you the expert opinion. You have the experts ratings, answers, etc. at one place. Make a report, send it out to everyone, as everyone should have a report in their hand. Have the experts revise their answers. They will give you the answer, like you have the questions and you will provide it to the experts, and according to your questions and queries they will answer you, and make the second report, and then you can make another report so that you can analyze the second report with the first report. So what is the basic criteria is that, friend, first of all you have to select the question. Like for example, you want to know that how much cost is time is required if you want to build a flyover in your city. Okay, this is the question here. Now you will hire or you will select the expert firms. The expert firms will give you the feedback that how much cost is required, how much man days effort is required, how much effort is required in terms of time and cost to build a flyover, and you will send your questions to them and they will answer your questions and queries according to your questionnaire, and you will and then you will review the answer which you will receive it from the expert judgment. Remember, this is very necessary that experts should be selected based on unbiased decision. There should not be any biasness. In the last, available fertilizer usage data of fertilizer types and provinces is provided to 3 or 4 experts. The experts are asked to make estimates for the following season or year. A final estimate by consensus is reached at a meeting of the experts. Uh, Take an example here. Yeah, the fertilizers is are there, and you want to know that how much you will earn, and in particular, for example, in the next year how much you can earn if you use any particular fertilizer. So you can hire experts and they can give you the estimate whatever the questions you have in your mind, and according to your questions they will give you the answers. So the experts opinion are there, they are very important to give you answer. There are two factors should be very clearly defined. First of all, whatever the whoever the expert you selected, he should have to be a specialized person in that particular field. For example, you are implementing a e-commerce solution, software solution, the expert should be related to the software department, software division. You should have the specialized knowledge in the in that particular domain. Another example, you are implementing the security software, so the expert person should have to be specialized in the security knowledge, like how to deal with the security problems, security issues, and the network problems. He should have a clear vision and clear mind about the security reasons. First thing is that whoever the expert judgment, he should have to be a specialized in that particular domain. Second thing is that the selection of experts should be unbiased. Like it should not happen that the expert, he is your, just take an example, he is your colleague or he is your friend, so based on that you shouldn't have to select any expert, because the opinion of expert is very important, and based on the expert judgment the very critical decisions will be made. So friend, thanks a lot for your time. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time. Thanks a lot.